एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है वंडरफुल मेमोरीज हैंडमेड गिफ्ट्स। सो बिफोर watching video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video we are going to see very special gift. It's a love story. It's a pretty love story of a boy and girl, and it's a kind of unique gift. As you can see, it's a box with full of gifts and lights, chocolates, messages. It's a time gift actually. I wrapped all the gifts after filming this video and labeled them according to the time. For example, 1 pm, 2 pm. To each gift, it's meant to be opened at that particular time. So let's see. Our first gift is a chocolate box. Start a day with sweetness. Then it's our second gift. It's a box full of polaroids. Actually, it is a fridge magnets. You can see. Our next gift box, something special and unique from previous gifts. It's a coupon. You can redeem coupon after signing. It has the date night, shopping night, and so many things. Our next box is full of cards, cute cards with long messages, pretty messages. You can see. This cute little messenger bottle. I always like pretty and cute gifts. That small notes are made by me. I have written message on it. Look at this tiny note. Oh, so cute. So pretty. Another messenger bottle. Then here comes our last but not least and special box, which is love story wala box. Aren't they so cute? Oh God. It's actually a story of them. They wanted me to represent it, so I tried my best to make them happy, and I'm glad that they are loving it. Represented their story using clay dolls, human figures, so that it might express it more than simple message. The box also contains messages, images. I have made pockets so that you can place your message or your favorite card in it, as you can see in the video. It's a long distance relationship story. I hope you are loving this video. Please don't forget to comment below in the comment section and also subscribe my channel. you for watching my video guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Okay, bye.